Hello everyone. Today I will be having a discussion on course on digital design. The subject code of this digital design is U18EZ409. Let me have the course introduction. What is this course meant for, and what are the different units of this course we will be discussing. First of all, create a motivation, or I mean to say how well this course has been defined and what way it would be benefit for you. This course develops students' knowledge in logic families such as RTL, DTL, CMOS, TTL, etc. These logic families are helpful in designing the ICs which you will be seeing in your coming days. That is the first thing. And next thing, after this design of all the logic families, we will be discussing on the memory devices. All different types of memory devices we will be discussed, and along with that one we will be discussing on the programmable logic devices, complex programmable logic devices, and then we will be discussing on FPGAs. This is about the memory devices and the FPGAs. Along with this one, we will be discussing on the VHDL programming using behavior modeling, using structural modeling, using data flow. How to write a VHDL program, how to execute a VHDL program, that would be nice. So overall here, this course is truly helpful for you in learning the basic concepts of what is a logic family and how an IC is being constructed, then what is the memories, what are the PLDs, CPHs, and then how to write a VHDL program, hardware description language, how to write it. That would be there. So to do this one, the course is beautifully designed into 4 units. Each unit would be taking up 9 theory classes. Along with this one, you would be having tutorial classes. So the first one would be logic families would be discussed, and the second unit would be discussing on memories, then the PLDs and FPGAs and CPLDs, FPGAs, all this would be discussed. And third and fourth unit would be discussing on VHDL programming. Okay. Now, what we will be having in a strategy of how to learn this course. This time we are going in a very different way. I mean to say the orientation would be different. Here we won't be going in a simple way like how rather we will be going on giving the lecture, then simply you will be knowing on that. We'll be going ahead this time as a self-learning. I mean to say more we will be trying the student to learn it up. We will be just assisting you in all the different aspects. Obviously, any difficult topic or anything is to be learned, that would be really, we will be discussing it up, no doubt about that one. So the first one, how the outcome-based lecture schedule is being planned, that would be kept in your course set. Then what are the self-learning topics? These are the what are the self-learning topics are there, that would be there, and how to make it an active learning, that is why self-learning. Now in the classroom discussion topics, what would be the topics to be discussed? It would be just like how we will discuss in a general conversation, the same we will go for a classroom discussion. And then how these discussions will be helping out in a real world problems, how this would be related to our real world problems, that would be discussed. Then tutorials would be conducted properly and in a very good manner. The students would be given an opportunity to solve the tutorial solutions. And to do this one, a tutorial matrix has been created, which has been available to you. You can check it up, the tutorial matrix, and we will be asking you when you need to do it. Then along with this one, to do all this, everything would be kept in your course set. You need to observe your course set properly, then you can get all this. And the course programming assignments and special assignments and course projects that will be done. And these are the knowledge, skill, qualities that would be acquired by the student by learning this course. These are the 4 key knowledge areas. There are 5 skill areas which have been these KSQ table is being kept in your lecture schedule. You can see this one. This is the how. These are the 4 outcomes of your course. On the completion of this course, the student will be able to extend and compare the characteristics of logic families. And next one will be describing different memory devices, TLDs, FPGAs. We'll able to read the behavioral programming in data flow, structural or behavior modeling. And to facilitate all this one, we are having some of the textbooks. Out of that one, Morris Mano is a textbook. So you need to purchase this textbook. And once you are purchasing this textbook, you need to write your rule number onto the purchase textbook. And I will be checking out. Okay. Thank you. We have a happy learning. Thank you, everyone.